So we've got something pretty special today. There's somebody that's standing in the crowd right now and they don't quite know who they are yet. Back in 1921, there was a very special lady born. She was a very well decorated World War II veteran. She met her husband while deployed. They settled in Texas where they raised their family. He bought her a 1973 Mercury Cougar convertible. So as the story goes, this was her daily driver. Later on in life, she raised her family there. She had a granddaughter that liked to come and drive her 1973 Cougar convertible. She was supposed to inherit the car, but sadly, a little bit before her grandmother passed away, the car was totaled, so she was never able to have it. We got a phone call from her husband a little over 2 years ago. So for 2 years, we've had a little secret. Will you come up here with me? So this special lady right here and this gentleman right here, he's been keeping a really big secret. So in honor of her grandmother, who everybody who loved her's name was Tut, we would like to show you the 2023 KTL edition Cougar, all electrified, named Tut. It's not finished, but there's a reason for that. We wanted you to finish it with us. We're gonna bring it back to SEMA next year, completely finished, for you to show it off. Are you good?
Finally can talk about it.
I'm the owner of KTL Restorations. I've never done an EV build before. First thing we did was get online and start researching, and I come up with electric GT as our power plant source for the vehicle. To me, aesthetics is everything. It's very cool stuff. They're designing a plug-and-play system for anybody that can do this in their garage, and everybody that I talk to about this build, they get excited. A lot of positive energy comes from this.
He couldn't sleep last night, and I don't think you ate breakfast this morning either, right?
No.
Yeah.
It's done. You can sleep now.